And this place is like it's not a Saturday night vibe, so it's not somewhere I'm gonna wanna be. I could like if I was on a date or something, yeah, but I wouldn't leave my house for this on a Saturday night, really. Not even for a date. And I've never stopped at this bar. Why would I? So that's another bar. Crossed off. What's it called? Sione. They may have nice food and whatever, but it's not a Saturday night place. Oh wait, there is that my friend? Say hello to my friend. Yeah, that's my drummer friend, man.